Welcome to our channel, Smart Home Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of smart locks. Whether you're a tech-savvy homeowner or a property manager, finding the perfect smart lock can make all the difference in your daily life. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 for the best smart lock of 2024. From seamless integration to robust security features, these locks have it all. But wait, there's a twist. Stick around until the end, because we've got an unexpected bonus recommendation that might just surprise you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 3, August Smart Lock Pro. Number 2, ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Number 1, wyze Smart Lock.
ZKTeco.